Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Anders from Finland here, and today a quick unboxing of a Seiko 5 I just ordered from Singapore. Came over with DHL Express in about 4 days, and yeah, that's about it. Gonna open it with my Leatherman. Okay, pretty familiar Seiko box. I already managed to scuff it up a little. Instructions manual. Oh, it's actually signed. What do you know? Okay, now the interesting box. There we go. And that's already going from the movement. So this is the Seiko SNKL41J1. So made in Japan version. And I thought these were already discontinued and sold out, but creationwatches.com had a small batch of them come in, and I managed to get myself one. Let's peel some stickers. Not so easy with gloves on. There we go. And there it is. Okay, so this is a pretty nice looking watch, and some of these Seiko 5s are known for having really elegant, simple design in a nice package and at an affordable price. This one will set you back about 100 euros or $100 approximately, if you can find one from an affordable site. The dial on this one has a slight sunburst effect. Can't really seem to pick that up on the camera. But trust me, there's a slight sunburst there. It's got lume on the indices and the hour and minute hands. Pretty nice case finishing, pretty basic. Display case back. Bracelet is pretty nice looking, but as many of you know, the quality of these bracelets isn't the best in the world, of course, at this price. And they are folded links, which usually tend to pull on arm hair quite a bit, but sometimes if you're lucky, you're one of those persons that has hair that doesn't get pulled by these bracelets, then there's no problem. And as you can hear, it's the basic rattle that you can always hear with these bracelets, so it's might annoy some people. And just a little thing I noticed with this bracelet is that you see that little gap between the end link and the bracelet? I think that looks pretty weird. I haven't really seen a gap like that on any bracelet so far. we'll just compare it to my SARB033. No gap here. Well, it's an entirely different bracelet, but you get the point. I don't know. Maybe it'll bother somebody. It won't really bother me. I'll be having this on a leather strap probably anyway. And I might not even have this watch so long. I just want to see if I can get used to a white dial watch, and then if I like it, or if I like a white dial watch, that is, I might gift this to my girlfriend in Christmas time, and then get myself like a SARB033 or something else with a white dial. Yeah, this size for this watch is pretty unisex, I'd say. It's a pretty small watch. I have a small wrist. Also, it's like a 6 3/4 inch wrist, but that'll just go on no problem on my girlfriend's wrist also. If you want a size comparison, let's bring on some watches here next to it. Here's the SARB033 next to this SNKL41. Slightly different, but pretty much the same size. Just put them on the table so we have them pretty close to the same distance from the camera, to put it that way. And Seiko SKX next to that one. So you'll get an idea on the size of these watches. So, as you can see, it's a pretty small watch. But no problem for a wrist as small as mine. I do need to get the bracelet sized. It's like way long for me. But I'm still waiting for the toolkit I ordered from AliExpress. It should be here like in a week or so. And here's one more quick size comparison between the SARB and the SNKL41. Not much of a difference. So if you can pull off a watch as small as the SARB, then no problem with this SNKL. And hey, anybody should wear whatever they like. Who cares about the size of a watch anyways? Yeah. Let's see, I have an 18mm leather strap from Hirsch that I'll just try on and see what it looks like on this watch. And there it is on the 18mm. It's like a cognac colored leather strap maybe. Maybe not the perfect color for this watch, but just had it laying around. So at least until I get something else on it, it'll be on this one. I don't know, looks pretty nice. Contrasting colors, and yeah, let's try another wrist. And here it is on the leather strap, really nice fit. It's really common for people just to swap out the crappy bracelets for a nice leather strap, and I can see why. It's the watch head itself is really nice quality and an elegant design, so it goes well with leather strap and gives it an overall elegant look and feel. But yeah, this was just a quick unboxing video, or quick-ish. If you like this video, give it a virtual like and subscribe to my channel, Anders from Finland, and be sure to drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer any comment you have. But yeah, this was Anders from Finland. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.